there, my name is Melissa Langridge, and I am your guide to writing 100 library resources. So if you need anything whatsoever, by all means, just let me know. Actually, even after you graduate from this course, I'm here for you if you need anything. But also, if you don't want to wait for a reply to my email, please know that this right here is our Chat with the Librarian service, and you can quickly connect with a librarian. I think it's Monday through Thursday, 11 a.m. to midnight, and then sporadically on the weekend. But it's there for you whenever it's orange, okay? So a couple of other things I want to show you. If you scroll down here, this is how you get to Noodle Tools, and you're going to need that very soon. Spoiler alert. And then under the Research tab, you want to go to Research Guides. And these are helpful because if you're not used to doing research in your major, or maybe in the Gen Ed course that you have to take, these will take the guesswork out of what you should be using, the appropriate databases and books and things like that. And who your guide is too. You know, the Writing 100 person is me, but each discipline has a different librarian attached, so you can schedule appointments with them, and it's just, we're here for you. So if you scroll down a little bit though, I want to show you the Writing 100 one, and that is listed under English. So click on Writing 100, and then this is the link that you are familiar with. So that's how you'd get to it. So this is how you would schedule an appointment with me. And then I have some availability. This is just to start, but you know, you can always email me to negotiate if you'd like. And this little menu is in the way of my back button, so bear with me. Okay, there we go. And you could also click here to send me an email. But this tutorial, if you click here, it will open up. And this is where you're going to get that certificate of completion that your professor is referring to. So once this opens, click on Writing 100. And this is kind of cool software because you're going to read the directions on the left-hand side, and it lives alongside of a live web page. So you will, yes, be getting credit for this tutorial, but you have to share your project that you create in Noodle Tools with your professor in order to get credit for finding the 3 sources that you're going to need for your library research assignment that coincides with this tutorial. Okay, so it's just proving that you are able to use the tools and find appropriate research, okay? If you have any questions whatsoever, by all means, I'm here for you. So I wish I could see you in person, but we could soon if you make an appointment. All right, let me know if you need anything. Take care.